This side, I am only asking. So you've got a... இந்த பக்கத்துல சார் நான் தானே கேட்குறேன். Okay, so you have got a son now, Shesh. Huh? Would you not like to adopt him? What about you, ma'am? Okay.
Virtue of any from any angle, because he was much above everything. I'm not speaking. I am a very at most critic of Sandeep. So his behavior, everything. See, I used to criticize every time. His consciousness, everything. But I should be. Uh, I have to say so many things about him, and most of all, his devotion to duty. If he would have survived this and then came back home, I was thinking about that. He would have survived this and then would have come back home. See, if I would have told him that it was so dangerous, you would not have gone alone. You could have done. If I had expressed that kind of a thing, he would have just listened to that. Life is for dying in the line of duty. That was Sandeep. So, whoever, there are a lot of things which is behind his going alone. I cannot say that here. It's not that it was with purpose only he went. He wanted to finish the operation. He wanted to bring all the 4 terrorists into one room. He wanted to injure at least one, and then frighten them to be not to come out and then shoot again. Nobody explained this way. Only his CEO explained. He said that I asked him, why did he do something like that? Many people are telling that he should not have gone alone. It's a foolish act. By killing 2 people, see, what will you achieve? See, these were the reactions came from. But we have to think from different angle. If Sandeep had not done that, this building, including the new building, would not have been there. They had to reconstruct it. Nobody know that. What was the IED with them? How they came here? So he would have realized everything, the repercussions, what would have been there. And of course, pressure from top to finish the operation as soon as possible. And I cannot say that Sandeep was the best soldier in the world. There are hundreds and hundreds of them in each and every battalion. Dedicated people, you should see their dedication. It's not that, as some politician says, they are all for dying. They are not for dying. They are stop killing. They are there for stop killing, not for killing people also. So these many things, so we will not understand. So वो तो फौज में join किया, operation में गया, मर गया. That's not the end of it. You have to analyze everybody's intention, every soldier's intention, why they are doing that, why they are keeping their life on the line of duty and then doing that. That is more important. And for a person like Sandeep, he was extra brilliant, and then he could do whatever he wants. He could study the whole thing in 1 week and then write the exam and then get 99 marks. So such a person goes there and then joins the armed forces. And a father questions him, say, what is this, Sandeep? Yeah, I had been very good plan for you, something like. What do you think that, no, see, I have only reached 12th standard. There are people, those who have done PG in electronics, PG in so many other things, humanitarian. See, they are all there. You are seeing from outside, you think that, no, so we have no option to go. That's why we are going to the armed forces. It's a planned decision. I have been planning it for years together, and then I have decided. It's not for India alone. Sandeep's vision was that it's for humanity. Nobody can kill an innocent person. He has been telling, no, yesterday also I have been talking on some other platform. He used to say that my unit, if they are going for an operation, I should be the first person to go. I will not allow anybody in my under my control to die before me. So these are all, people can think that, no, see, I'm telling it, just he is not there to clarify or something like that, but that's the truth. Thank you.
Ma'am, do you think he has inherited this quality from sir? उनके फादर उनके इंस्पिरेशन रहे हैं संदीप के? नहीं,
आर्मी ज्वाइन करने के बाद संदीप चेंज किया नहीं, उसमें ट्रेनिंग किया होगा। फिर बचपन से भी संदीप ऐसा ही थे, ऐसा ही थे। हेल्पिंग माइंड स्कूल में पूरा वो ऐसा ही थे, फ्रेंड्स के साथ, टीचर्स के साथ। टीचर्स मैं संदीप के साथ स्कूल जाके टीचर्स पूछते थे, बात करते थे, मैडम आपको कुछ टेंशन नहीं है ना, क्यों ऐसा बात किया? वो पढ़ने के बारे में, स्पोर्ट्स के बारे में ऑल राउंड थे स्कूल में। फिर वो पेरेंट्स एंड टीचर्स इसी तरह पूछते थे, आपको कुछ टेंशन नहीं है ना? अभी हाँ ऐसा ही थे वो। फिर ट्रेनिंग संदीप का ये आर्मी, अभी ये लोगों के सामने, लोगों के साथ संदीप एक सीरियस ऑफिसर, आर्मी ऑफिसर, हमारे बीच में वो नहीं है, क्योंकि वो बर्थ से वो ऐसा ही थे। आर्मी ज्वाइन करने के बाद नहीं है वो। 1999 में कमीशन के बाद घर पे आया। मैं उसको ज़्यादा डाउट पूछा थे, वो मैं पूछा संदीप क्यों इन्फेंट्री चूज़ किया तुम्हें हाई रैंक है ना? नहीं मैं मम्मी मुझे करियर वजह से ऐसा किया। फिर मैं पूछा बाहर आने के बाद सभी लोग जाने चाहिए आर्मी में, बाहर अभी नहीं है, मुझे मालूम है, फिर भी मैं ऐसा पूछा। उसको वो आंसर किया, मम्मी एक बार आने के बाद ऑफिसर्स एंड सब लोग जाने का है। फिर मम्मी एक ऑफिसर्स के साथ 4-5 लोग होगा उसको प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए, हमारा कर्तव्य है ना वो लोगों को प्रोटेक्ट करना। इसलिए मुझे एक सिचुएशन ऐसा मिला है तो मैं कभी भी वो करते हैं। मेरे साथ कितना लोग हैं वो लोगों को मैं प्रोटेक्ट करते हैं, मेरे जीवन के बारे में मैं कभी भी सोचते नहीं। फिर संदीप हमेशा मेरे इधर शोल्डर में हाथ रख के सॉफ्ट ऐसा ही बात करते हमेशा। वो मेरे शोल्डर में बात करके ऐसा करके बोला, मम्मी को मैं नहीं तो कितना दुख होगा, है ना? ऐसा ही है ना, और मम्मी को वो पुत्र नहीं तो उसको कितना दुख होगा। ऐसा है तो मैं हो तो वो है तुम समान है, मम्मी ऐसा करो। इसलिए मैं हमेशा बोलते हैं इसी तरह ज़्यादा है। एक प्रवचन किया मम्मी के साथ, कितना प्रवचन, वो प्रवचन करके वो गया। एक बार बोला मम्मी को एक बार मैं नहीं तो ये दुनिया में मैं नहीं तो अब दोनों को कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा, क्योंकि मेरे तरह आपके साथ कितना लोग, उतना पुत्र, उतना लड़कियों सभी लोग आपके सामने होगा, साथ होगा, आपको थोड़ा भी कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा। अभी वो चलते हैं, वो ऐसा ही चलते हैं। देन पास्ट प्रेजेंट फ्यूचर सभी ऐसा ही है। संदीप प्रवचन करके गया। फिर ये 26/11 के बाद मेरे घर पे NSG का DG आया। वो बोला आपको मालूम है मैडम संदीप को क्या हो गया? मैं बोला आपको मालूम नहीं है, सिर्फ मुझे मालूम है संदीप को क्या हो गया। मुझे और कुछ लोगों को मालूम नहीं है संदीप को क्या हो गया, क्योंकि मेरे मन पूरा पीछे गया। अनकॉन्शियस नहीं थे मैं। संदीप को क्या इधर क्या चलते हैं वो मुझे उतना सुन के सभी लोगों के साथ मैं ऐसा क्या मेरे साथ संदीप किस तरह थे वो समय भी संदीप के ये बॉडी आने के टाइम क्या क्या इधर चलते हैं वो मुझे ऐसा ही होना चाहिए। मैं डॉक्टर को नर्स को सिस्टर को सभी को बोले एक इंजेक्शन नहीं चाहिए मुझे, एक टैबलेट मुझे नहीं चाहिए, ऐसा रिक्वेस्ट किया मैं कॉन्शियस वो अलग हो गया, वो थोड़ा मैड की तरह हो गया। मैं कॉन्शियस ऐसा ही आया। फिर ये डीजी को मैं बोला मुझे अच्छे तरह मिले, वो चुपचाप बैठ के वापस के ऐसा ही एक
That is the dispute. Actually, he wanted to protect his organization, saying that no, it's not protecting the organization, but he wanted some justification. He went beyond the call of duty, but she said that I know my son, and we have no complaints about him. He went back. He's no more now.
जरूर मैं बोलते हैं सब शेष लकी पर्सन है, क्योंकि संदीप संदीप एक्टिंग किया है ना, वो लकी पर्सन है।
My question is to Sai. We haven't got a glimpse of your role today in the footages, so could you share a bit about that, and also working in a serious film like this as your second project? What was your takeaway from a project like Major? Here, I'm here.
Um, my role in the film is Major Sandeep's high school sweetheart. So I think that somewhere it tries to show um, the innocent, pure part of his life when he was young. And as you said, for me to work in a film that is so important um, and such a serious role as my second movie, I think I'm honored because at the end of the day, I'm playing a character in a movie that has been lived. Sorry, the story that we're telling is a story lived by a few people, and to misrepresent their emotions was something that I didn't want to do. And I think Sesh, Sashi, sir, everyone really helped me get it right, and I just hope that I have.
My question is to Vivek. Ravi from ABP News. सर हालांकि एक बायोपिक है ये, संदीप उन्नीकृष्णन के बारे में बता दी कैसे उन्होंने ऑपरेशन को हैंडल किया, लेकिन अगर हम बात करें मुंबई के इस हमले की, तो कुछ फिल्में बन चुकी हैं इस पे, कुछ वेब सीरीज़ भी बन चुकी हैं, तो आप कितने कॉन्फिडेंट थे इस प्रोजेक्ट को लेकर? क्योंकि अगर हमले की बात की जाए तो कुछ लोगों के सामने आ चुका है पर्दे पर, तो वो यू लाइक कुछ एप्रीहेंशन भी था, और आप शुरू से ही कॉन्फिडेंट थे कि इस फिल्म को सपोर्ट करना है?
जैसा मैंने कहा कि ये पिक्चर इस हमलों के बारे में नहीं है. इट्स अ सेलिब्रेशन ऑफ द लाइफ ऑफ अ पर्सन हु इज सच अ स्ट्रॉन्ग इंस्पिरेशन, and when his story is seen by people across, it will tend to inspire youngsters all over the country. I'm very confident of that, and that was one of the reasons why as Sony we really backed the film, क्योंकि हमें विश्वास था कि ये कहानी जो है ये एक ब्रेव हार्ट, एक सोल्जर, एक जिसकी है, जिन्होंने देश के लिए जान भी दी, बट जब वो जिए तो एक शिक्षा बन के जिए सबके लिए, एंड वो शिक्षा और वो उनकी जो जिंदगी के पहलू हैं, वो अटैक्स एक पार्ट है, बट जो उनकी ज़िंदगी उन्होंने कैसे जी उसके बारे में ज़्यादातर लोगों को कैसे बताया जाए, उनको कैसे इंस्पायर किया जाए, वो भी एक आप इस फिल्म में देखेंगे. तो आई थिंक वी आर वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट एंड वी वर वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट व्हेन वी took this film on, and I think when you see the film you will realize that it is it's a tribute where we're hoping that people of India will get, the youngsters of India will get inspired and with the fact that somebody so young was like this, and somebody so young was ready to give up his life, as they said that he was always thinking about others. And I think एक ही वो अगर value अगर आप लेके जाए ना picture से, I think that is the basic success of the film. कि do something for others other than yourself, and I think that is what we are very very confident of.
थैंक यू सो मच। दीवी, एक छोटा सा सवाल आपसे है कि फिल्म तो बन गई, शूट हो गई, रिलीज होने वाली है जल्दी। आपने पूरा प्रोसेस बताया कि आपका अप्रोच क्या था फिल्म के प्रति, क्या नज़रिया था और क्या आपके मन में चल रहा था जब आप शूट करने जा रहे थे, इसे पोर्ट्रे करने के बारे में सोच रहे थे। मैं जानना चाहूँगा, फिल्म शूट करने के बाद, बन जाने के बाद, क्या आपको कहीं ऐसा एहसास हुआ कि यार जो मैंने पर्दे पर जिस तरह से निभाया है, कोई एक सीन या कोई छोटा सा इंसिडेंट, उसे मैं और बेहतर ढंग से कर सकता था और अच्छे से कर सकता था, ऐसा ख्याल आता है आपको अभी?
हर दिन हर दिन हर सीन में ये लगता था कि यार और बेहतर होना चाहिए, और बेहतर होना चाहिए। बिकॉज कहीं ना कहीं जैसे अंकल ने कहा है कि जिस तरह से उन्होंने ज़िंदगी जी, वो इट्स नॉट ईजी कि सिर्फ हम 2-2.5 घंटे की फिल्म में हम 31 साल की ज़िंदगी ऐसे ही हम दिखा सकते हैं, वो भी एक्यूरेटली, वो भी वही इमोशनल रियलाइजेशन के साथ। सो आई थिंक माई गोल वॉज हमेशा कि यार अपने आप को और बेटर करो ताकि कहीं ना कहीं जो इरादा है उसका 10% तक तो पहुँचे। दैट वाज द गोल। सो आप जो पूछ रहे हैं मुझसे, मतलब ये तो मैं अपने आप से खुद से सवाल ये पूछ रहा था अपने आप से कि am I good enough, will I be good enough, so it's that push कि see, perfection is not something you can reach, it's something you aspire to. So that was the goal.
Members of the media, maybe 1 to last questions.
Am I audible? This is for Sandeep's parents. First of all, it's a great privilege to be in your presence and be inspired by your son. I'm sure he's an inspiration to a lot of young men and women.
Can you repeat the question?
Yeah, so I just said that it's an honor to be in your presence and to be inspired by your son. You don't have to answer if you don't want to. I just was curious, when was your last conversation with your son, since he had left in August, as we heard? Before leaving for the operation, obviously army men are not supposed to reveal where they are going or whatever. But had he sort of communicated that he's leaving for something important or something like that? And this is, as a human being, I'm just curious.
No, I can easily answer that. He spoke to me on the night of 26/11, 2008.
Oh,
But he didn't say that no, CNSG is going or I am going or whatever it is. He said that, Dad, where are you? I said that I am watching the TV, and then I'm closing the TV and then going back. Then he said that, no, you watch this thing like that. One person called Karkare, he was not so particular about his full name,
right.
has been the thing. I was thinking that it is something, the underground people, those who are making this thing like that. I saw something, but I didn't see Taj, I didn't see anything.
Right.
So it was around 11 o'clock in the night he spoke to me, and they were waiting for someone to accompany them to Mumbai. He said that, I told him that no, these are all, it's all happening every this thing. I didn't care. So he asked me, no, this is something serious. You have to watch. Many people with him has gone, and I think the Mumbai forces, he mean the paramilitary and the sub-area, they are insufficient for the operation, and maybe a larger operation may come. That's it. So I just went for it. I just
Right.
slept because I was not knowing about the seriousness of this thing.
Yeah, I mean, that night I remember people were first thinking it was just a gang war happening.
Exactly.
Yeah.
But he was ready to go, and his GC was restricting him not to go because he has to be there as a training officer. He has to take care of the
Right.
remaining unit. But he went with somebody else's uniform and then somebody's shoe or something like that. He was not ready to go. And wearing that, he was sitting there and then talking to me. I don't know, see what was in his mind. But he never took her telephone the next day fully. 27, he had his telephone. Somebody else was attending. And I think he had given instruction not to take mommy's call. Because if mommy's call goes, he may not be able to operate. That's the reason. So he never told us. But if he's talking to me, no, so he could have fought well, because we fight each other. We had that kind of habit. I will screw him up to get all whatever it's like that. When he used to say that, okay, you have to take information from me and then go to your friends and then say that, no, so my son has done this or that. Then I used to that. So he was such a personality, we cannot describe him. So as somebody said, the inspiration from me or something like that, it is not even 1%. I learned about 99% from him. I gave him 1% of my mind. So there are people, no, see, where from he got the inspiration, where from he gets there is no answer for that. That's why he is also surprised.
Thank you very much for answering.
Members of the media, thank you so much for joining us here. Uncle, Auntie, thank you so much for giving us this opportunity to be in your presence and share this honor. Thank you so much, Mr. Krishnani. Thank you so much, Sej. Thank you so much, Sai, for joining us here. Members of the media, we are just going to get